Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and switch the gender icon in FaceApp. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official FaceApp application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for FaceApp, find the application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started with uploading our photos. So from here at the bottom of the screen, we have the option to upload either through the camera roll or directly from our photo gallery. So go ahead and choose whichever you prefer. And after that, we can get started with opening up the photo. So I'm going to tap on the photo right here, and it's going to open it up in editor mode. Now here in this editor mode at the bottom of the screen, we can find all the sections we can use for editing our photo, and we are going to scroll all the way to the right until we find this one that says gender. Once you find gender, go ahead and tap to open it up, and it's going to open up this new gender option from where we can go ahead and get started selecting what kind of gender we want to use. So as you can see, currently I'm male, so I'm going to turn it into female and so on. If you have a female picture as the original, it's going to give you the male options right here, masculine and so on, that you can turn them into. So if you're satisfied, in the upper right corner you can save using the save option, and it's going to enable you to save it to your gallery, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.